Hey everybody, this is Mike Reed with Safe Solutions. I'm here with Buck in Keller. So Buck, how did you hear about us?
Googled you and found you on the internet.
Awesome. Did we do everything we said we were going to do for you?
Absolutely. Very professional, very speedy, prompt service. It was great.
Great. And on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you recommend us to your friends and your neighbors?
Absolutely a 10. So, yep. Like I said, everything went well. Troubleshooting and everything, you were very prompt and came back and did it professionally, and it's great. So I really recommend you.
Awesome. Thank you very much.